true that president akati 30% of the salaries of ono mampanyine ne nabedi achire any the ministers and other government appointees. Wakati no by 30%. It is also true that government are reducing fuel coupon allocation and other discretionary spending by close to 50%. Some fuel coupons have been reduced to 50%. The DCs, the MMDCs, they will tell you about this. Intime pacho. If at your time, no na amount fuel coupon, amount Tom Carda, and answer whatever means, and I be on more time. No,
but DC for them, I don't say
but no, I DC for me. Who DC for music coupon, music coupon pay.
Okay.
What does it? Yes, it is just a coupon, a representative scale free abaya so eba. So they have it. Ebimu use Tom cards. There are a lot of avenues. Baby crowd on one filling station between arrangement. Say be our supply fuel no. At the time you statutory payment no. We will get the cash and even bring it to you. So there are a lot of forms of payment. Now I am passing a reducing by 50%. So it tells you the commitment. This is unlike NDC administration Mahama say. Remember Obetonam na worry the card dumpi. And he told us that at under honor dispensation or Kasa Kadumpen, he decided that he reduce your salaries, but not a populist approach. No Kadia Dada Ghana for because after they reduce the salaries, they paid it as back pay to themselves. We keep doing employment in security, police for, migration for, soldier for, for Mukruma is unprecedented. Even people who were not posted under NDC administration from 2014 up to 2016, by nurses, teachers, we were posting them. Teachers who receive just a month or 3 months back pay after teaching 1 year, 2 years as people teachers and other diploma teachers. By most of them, we decided to pay some of the back pay to them. And you know, your commitment war, but and then one was say, and this na omo na no more describe it Ghana for as at the time. I no more by 2016. Ana Ghana for youth nekasa omu hia adwuma. How na bo preku party. Emu mpanyimfo Rashid Popo mu na ka kire Ghana for say we are graduate a ubetuma ko wura makotwa sere ne nyankire ne ubetuma kwa akosesa abo begu kwa ho boso me ubenya 2 trips of sand and stones we na ya people are no mu in the helms of the NDC administration or more prescription of the mind because why wouldn't they give us a prescription better no be a money till mun can pay because as at the time the president himself has said that he was not a magician. Okay. Minority for any news, some minority back say they will not approve or they will not be part of the unanimous approval of your ministers I am nominating. Because at the end of the day, Parliament should have rules such that you discuss issues at a veteran level. So even if party the new patriotic party your people in Parliament or disapprove of they should make something like a secret balloting be or sort and I say head count. So what you say because in other democracies are copy so sometimes there can be nominations but a lower house congressional and upper house senator omutimi bogu and omutimi by vote. Some of these things we must get there. It's their opinion because they have a feeling some number no be so and I be ankofo na ye veti omo nimu say say omo occupy some ministries. So when they decide to abstain or disapprove of it or fail to join the unanimous approval, I don't fault them